Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of investing in stocks. Stocks are one of the most popular forms of investment and can be a great way to build wealth over time. But before you start investing, it's important to understand the basics. What are stocks? Stocks, or shares, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. Companies issue stocks to raise money for growth and expansion, and investors buy stocks in the hope that the company will do well and their investment will increase in value. Why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns than other forms of investment, such as bonds or savings accounts. However, investing in stocks also involves risk, as the value of your investment can go up or down depending on the performance of the company and the overall market. How to invest in stocks? To invest in stocks, you will need to open a brokerage account. There are many different types of brokerage accounts available, including online brokerages, full-service brokerages, and robo-advisors. Online brokerages are a popular choice for many investors because they offer low fees and easy-to-use platforms. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you can start buying and selling stocks. How to choose stocks? Choosing the right stocks to invest in can be a challenging task. It's important to do your research and understand the company's financials and business model. Look for companies with a strong track record of growth and profitability, and a competitive advantage in their industry. You may also want to consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in stocks across different industries and sectors. Currently, the markets have been pummeled and badly wounded, and many stocks are trading at very low prices compared to 2 years ago. The opportunities are aplenty in the markets now. Do you think the market is bottoming? If yes, please type 1, and if no, please type 2 in the comment below. Finally, investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to understand the basics before you start. Remember to conduct your own research and due diligence, choose the right brokerage account, and diversify your portfolio. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.